Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a tent rental service website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix is it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, I want you to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Setup Without AI on the search bar right here, you're going to simply type in Tent Rental Service. You can see it right there. Then you're going to tap on Next. After selecting Next, you can see they are preparing our dashboard in the background. Once our dashboard has been prepared, I will be showing you how to add your business name and also how to add the different services or features that you will be offering. So for example, you can see right here, I'm currently on the dashboard. So we are going to simply type in our business name right here. So we can tell it Tents for Rent. So I'll do that right here, Tents for Rent. Then tap on Next. After you have done that, you can select whether you're just getting started or you have been selling online for a good while. Then remember that we'll be selling physical products or better yet offering services. So we're going to select services. Then you're going to tap on Next. If it is a case that you also sell physical products, you can select physical products also. But I'll just be leaving it at services. And you can choose whether you will be receiving payments online and in person. I will be receiving both. Then tap on Next. Then select Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, I'll now be showing you how to set up the different services and also how to edit how your website looks. So the first thing you'll be doing is going over to the left-hand menu option, and right where you see Booking Services, you're going to tap right there. After selecting Booking Services, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And these are some typical services that may be offered, and you can simply tap on Start from Scratch. After selecting Start from Scratch, you'll now be able to start adding the different services that you offer. So let's say, for example, large tent rental. So large tent rental. Then from there, you can add a quick description, and you are going to tap on Add Image. After selecting Add Image, you could select Upload Media, and you could upload an image of the tent. Or you can simply type in tent in the search bar, and then from there you'll be provided with some copyright free images that you can use. So you can see them right there. So let's say, for example, I were to use this one. Then tap on Add to Page. After selecting Add to Page, you can scroll down, and let's say, for example, I will be charging $10 per hour for rental. I could select $1, right? I could select 1 hour, better yet, right there. Then scroll down, and right where you see amount, I will fix that as $10. After doing that, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. And you can continue doing this for the different sizes of tents that you offer and the different amenities and stuff that you will be offering. And by the way, we'll close out of this by tapping on the X in the top left hand corner. If it is a case that you also sell products, you could hover over Store Products, then tap on Products. And on this dashboard, you'll be able to add the products that you sell. So you could tap on Add New Product in the top right hand corner, then tap on Physical Product, and from here you could upload an image and also the name of the product that you will be offering onto this page right here. So you can add the images, videos, and the product information and price, then tap on Save. And what I want you to do next, after you have added the products that you will be selling and the services, you are going to scroll down from the left hand menu option, and by the way, to view bookings when you receive them, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see booking calendar, you can select calendar and you'll be able to view your scheduled bookings. But for now, we will be setting up the billing and payment options. So you're going to hover over billing and payments, and you're going to select payments. Once you have selected payments, I want you to tap on manage payment methods. After selecting manage payment methods, you will be redirected to this dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see the different payment options that I have to offer to my clients. I can offer TillerPay and PayPal. All I would need to do is tap on connect and you can set up an account. Depending on the country that you're located in, you will see different payment options. And also, if you would like to offer more payment options that you don't see right here, you could scroll down and tap on see more options, and then you can see more payment options that you can see right there, or you can tap on see options right here. And that's it. After you have added the services, added the products, and set up the payment methods, you can tap on set up in the top left hand corner. After tapping on setup, you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner, then tap on pick a template. Once you have selected pick a template, you can see the different templates that you could use, and from here you can select any one of these templates that are to your liking. So you can scroll down and select a particular template that you like. So let's say, for example, this one right here. So you could select edit. After selecting edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while our website is being composed in the. Then this is how our website looks at the moment. We're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then you can scroll down and you can see how your website looks. Now to start editing the website, you can simply hover over whichever section you like to edit. You can change the vector art by simply tapping on it, and you will see the option quick edit. After selecting quick edit, you're going to see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column, which you can use to edit any section. If we wanted to change the background image of this section, I could simply tap on it, then tap on change image, can also change the text. And if it is a case that you would like to add something to a page that you don't see, for example a text box, all you will need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements, and from there you can add text, images, buttons, anything at all that you would like to add to your website. You will find it in this section. And to view the other pages on your website, you're going to tap on home in the top left hand corner. So for example, if we wanted to edit the services page, we could select services, and you can see the different services at the moment, and you will be able to edit them by simply hovering over the section. You could tap on quick edit and you will be able to edit it. And that's how you'll be able to edit all the pages that are currently on your website. And once you're finished editing your website, you can tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. Then from there you can select publish, and your website will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.